Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, to your Alba Reviews. Today I will be making a chocolate covered strawberry pound cake. Yes, yeah. Now you already know it's Valentine's coming up. So yeah, I said I'm gonna get into this cake. Now as far as the cake, I'm gonna be using box cake, and if you watch my channel, you already knew that. Don't act brand new, like you know. Alright, I have the pink cake mix, which is the strawberry, but I also have that red velvet. Yeah, it's two colors. Now I'm like, okay, red and pink is a color for Valentine's. I guess they say water, but I use milk. But instead of milk, I'm gonna be using for the red velvet one, which is sweet and creamy, and for the pink one, I'm gonna be using berry strawberry. I tried this. It's like a strawberry smoothie drink. It's so good. Also, too, I found this in Publix. It was so cute. Y'all had strawberries. I took most of them off. I'm gonna do something with this, but I also cut up some. I put some brown sugar. If you want to get your strawberries that's fresh, you don't want it like to be a little bit bitter, like tart, like how strawberries are. Get the juice out by putting any type of sugar in here. And I put brown sugar, but you can put any type of sugar. And that's what I will be using. I'll let you know what I'm gonna do with this. Also, I had some chocolates. I still got a lot of chocolate. This is dark chocolate, and I had it cut up. So I'm going to be using this to incorporate as well. I will be using some espresso. I heard that's pretty good in chocolate. Also, what I heard good in chocolate, because I know y'all seen it, is yes, mayo. Some of y'all like, mayo in a dessert. I was thinking the same thing too. But yeah, I heard this is good in chocolate, and I want to try it out. I'm also going to be using this chocolate to drizzle on when I finish. I hope I'm not putting too much chocolate, because if you watch my channel, I don't eat too much chocolate like that. But due to the fact that I'm adding the pink version, the pink kind, so it should be okay. I'm also going to use my baker's choy, but if you don't have this, you can use flour and butter. Or flour and grease. My strawberry preserves, cooking oil, my cake batter extra, and also my vanilla extract. I'm going to be using some sour cream, and I have salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, you can use salt. Due to the fact that I'm going to be adding like a lot of sweetness to it, that's why I have the salted butter to balance it out. I have my eggs. I think I have like 5 large, and the other one's I think like small or something like that, or is it medium? Yeah. So I think that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, first I'm gonna do my pink part first. My cake already in here. I'm gonna put in my 3 eggs. Make sure it's room temperature. This is a half a cup of oil. You can use any oil, canola, peanut, it really don't matter. Then half a cup of the sour cream. Just my vanilla, like 2 dashes. Okay, 1. Oh, guess that was kind of like 2. 1 big one. I'm using cake batter for the other one. I'm gonna use a cup of this pink milk. This is half a cup, so I'm gonna use 2 of them. So I'm gonna take this and blend this up. And no, not like Michael Jackson. Unless you want me to. Why did y'all let me forget about this butter? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I brought my butter, y'all. Can't forget this. I used to stick half and half of. I'm gonna put this inside of here. And then the other half I'm gonna put for, help me out, y'all. Hey, y'all ain't no help. For the red velvet. Alright, now I'm gonna beat it. Okay, I have it all mixed and combined. Now I'm gonna take some of my strawberry preserves, probably like half a cup too. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of my strawberries, not all, but some. I'm gonna go ahead and just fold that in there. And I tell you, it smells so good, it looks so good. Done with this one, y'all. I'm gonna set this to the side and start on the other one. Okay, now I'm starting the red velvet part. I already have the cake mix Inside of here, I'm gonna add in the rest of my brown butter. Another half cup of oil. I like a tablespoon of this espresso. Use a half cup of this mayo. I'm gonna take some of my cake batter. And probably like 2 dashes. These are my 3 eggs. Oh yeah, and my milk, duh. And same thing with the milk. Well, this is the creamer. I'm gonna put a cup. But this is half cup, so I'm gonna put 2 of these half cups. I can smell the deliciousness already. And my goal, I want it to still be a little chocolatey, but not overly chocolatey. Here I have my batter. It's already mixed up. Now, what you didn't see, I added some additional chocolate. I tasted it before. Okay, before I put the things in there, I was like, this is good, but it tastes like a lot of chocolate. Now, if you're a chocolate person, this is a chocolate lover's dream. However, with me, I feel like once I add it to, with the pink part, it's going to be so delicious. Now, like I said, I put some additional chocolate chunks in there, and I know y'all like, okay, if you say it's so chocolatey, why you put extra chocolate in there? Just let me do what I do. You feel me? I want some of the little chunk bites too in there, so it is what it is. I think I'm gonna just put the rest of it up. And just go ahead and fold it in here. I'll let you see the next step, Lois will. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my baker's jar. I have my pan, and I'm gonna spread real good. Hey, please don't tell me no more here. I can't stand when they do this and have when you shake it, it sounds like a whole lot in here. But when you spread, it's nothing coming out. And I tell you, do not get upset, but thank God. Like I told you, if you don't have that, which I thought I would, you grease it and you put flour in it. You want to make sure you grease the side of it and like all of it, because you don't want to, I knew I was keeping this paper for a reason. I think it cut off on me. Okay, I have it greased up. I'm going to take my batter. Okay, it kept cutting off. So you see how I have it? I have 1/2 of the pink and then 1/2 of the red velvet. I still have more batter. So what I'm going to do is on the pink, I'm going to put the red batter. And on the red, I'm going to put the pink batter. Smart, ain't it? Do it like this. And when I cut the cake, I want to take both of them. I want to cut 2 separate pieces. And I'm going to try not to mix it in. I'm going to do it slightly because I don't want to mix this with the pink at all. I'll put in the pink, the last bit of the pink part. I'm going to try to smooth it out a little bit without mixing it in the other batter. We'll kind of bang it a little bit to get the bubbles. Okay, yeah, this side like it's going to be larger than the other side. I'm going to have to swirl this side a little bit. I know I'm all over the place with this a little bit, but you do like this side just a little. Okay, I like how this looks. Gosh, y'all. Okay, on 350 from about 55 minutes to an hour. This is how it look, y'all. And I know y'all like, okay, where is the cake? Hello, y'all. Yes. Yeah, and also too, you see the little bumps. That's that chocolate I put in there. Yes, yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to attempt to flip it over. And like I told you before, please don't embarrass me. I let this cool for about 10-15 minutes in the pan. And I'm gonna flip it over and let it cool for additional hours. Could be 4 hours, or actually it could be a little longer. But yeah, let me get some minutes too. I'm trying to flip this like this is already room temperature. Are you gonna come up? I like this on the. Oh, wait, hello. This is how I look inside. Thank God I'm gonna kind of like cover up the top a little bit. I'm gonna just let this cool and try to fix it when I cool it. Once it cool off. We'll get back to you at Lois will. Okay, it's been about for about 4.5 hours. This is how it look. Now I don't like how it got like part came off a little bit. Alright, sure, right. I'm gonna try to fix it up when I put the stuff on there. My taste smells so good. I smell chocolate and strawberry. Okay, so I'm decorated. Now I have my chocolate sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and just, put it on there no particular way. If you want to put more, you can, but I don't know if I want to. I want to, I'm not going to overdo it. I want to enjoy my cakes. However, if you like your love, or you want more of the chocolate, go right ahead. But don't expect me to put it on, because I'm not. That's for you, not for me. Alright, now my strawberries that I had earlier. Okay, the other ones I showed you that was inside the heart-shaped thing, I would have also added the sugar inside the rest of them so I can get, also took the big ones out real quick, and I'm just going to like spread it on a little bit, and also get this sauce. Now I wasn't going to do it because I didn't want to put more chocolate. I think I'm gonna, the chocolate candy that I have, I'm gonna crush up some more, like chop it in pieces, add some more on. I'm just praying I'm not putting too much chocolate. Okay, now the other three, I kept this green part on. I'm gonna try to put that on here. Okay, don't look too bad. Okay, you might be saying, should I say Washington? Yes, y'all, I did it. Oh my goodness. When I tell you I'm ready to cut into this baby, now I actually had this after I put everything on it. I had this sitting overnight. So I didn't cut into it, but I'm about to cut into it now. Lord sweet. Ooh, it smells so good. Get into the frames. Yes. Okay, let me cut me a little piece. It smells so good. Scrumptious. Okay. It's cut easily, like butter. Well, softened butter. And you know it's kind of hard to cut butter when it's not room temperature. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Is that, oh my goodness, it ain't showing it. Oh my. When I tell you it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Hey, y'all. When I tell you this marbling looks so pretty, oh my goodness. And not only do it look good, it smells good. And it look moist too. I smell that chocolate and I can smell that strawberry. I want to get both of it. This both? That red velvet and that strawberry? Let me get the strawberry and some of the the candy that I crushed up too with it. So this is strawberry, a little bit of the chocolate chunk, especially on this side, and part of the cake. Dang it! Where was the accessibility at when I was looking? Meaning like how I got access to all this deliciousness of these baked goods right now? why I got access like that? Well, I probably would have been probably a good thing though. On my mom's side, they didn't too much like me. Like, well, they was good and great at cooking, but baked goods, I don't know, they didn't too much make them. On my dad's side, they did make cakes and stuff, but for some reason I don't remember eating a lot of it. I don't know. But I'm eating it now. You ain't gotta tell me to eat the cake, alright? Because I already beat you to the punchline. And I'm not saying that domestic violence is okay if you've seen that movie, if you know what the movie about. Because, yeah, if you find yourself in a situation, get help and get out ASAP. Don't wait. So that's about it. But as far as this cake, you can taste the chocolate. It's not overpowering because you can taste that strawberry good. It's moist, delicioso. Saying all day, baby. It's good. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit this recipe up. That's all I'm gonna say.